I just wanted to give a flood update. We're mostly back to normal at this point. We're actually kind of surprised at what did survive, not what's damaged. So, in the creek's back to flowing normal. Still a little muddier than normal, but pretty good. The extra property here, the fire pit, got to regrow some grass, but no other notable damage. Obviously our bridge that used to be right here is still gone. It's over in the corner. It's out of the water. It's drying, but we gotta get some help to carry it back. The driveway obviously needs to be filled back in, but the wall is back up. We're back to normal levels here. And for everybody saying we needed to change to a 4-foot culvert, remember, it's cemented in, it's not just dig it out. But even the cowslips survived. Cowslips survived over here too. But obviously you can see where the floodwater was, but that's nothing that won't grow back. And the river is almost back to normal levels. It's still a little high, but everything's down there pretty much the way we left it.